I just lost 3 grand because I didn't know what was rotting in my warehouse. That's the reality for many small business owners struggling with inventory management. When you can't track what's coming in, what's going out, and what's sitting on your shelves, you're literally watching money disappear. But what if there was a simple solution that could prevent these costly mistakes? Introducing inventory software from ibuyer.ch, designed specifically for logistics and distribution operations like yours. This system is perfect for warehouses, distribution centers, and storage facilities that need to keep precise track of their inventory. Your stock keepers can monitor every item's movement from arrival to departure, preventing those painful "I didn't know we had that" or "I didn't realize that" expired moments. The software handles all types of general merchandise, giving you complete visibility of your inventory at all times. No more guessing what's in stock. No more writing off thousands in spoiled or forgotten inventory. Just streamlined operations and better profit margins. Small business owners like you are already using ibuyer.hk to transform their warehouse management. Isn't it time you stopped losing money to inventory chaos? Let's take a closer look at how WholesaleNet can transform your inventory management process. With real-time stock level tracking, you always know exactly what's in your warehouse, down to the last item. Automated alerts notify you when stock is running low or when items are approaching expiration, so you can act before problems arise. Comprehensive reporting tools help you analyze trends, forecast demand, and make smarter purchasing decisions. WholesaleNet integrates seamlessly with your existing accounting and sales systems, reducing manual entry and errors. Mobile access means your team can update inventory on the go, whether they're on the warehouse floor or out making deliveries. Barcode scanning makes receiving and shipping fast and accurate, minimizing mistakes and saving time. No matter the size of your operation, WholesaleNet is scalable to fit your needs, from small storage rooms to large distribution centers. Our customers have seen reduced inventory losses, improved order accuracy, and faster fulfillment times. Here's what one satisfied customer had to say. Since switching to WholesaleNet, we've cut our inventory errors in half, and our team is more productive than ever. Whether you manage general merchandise, electronics, apparel, or food products, WholesaleNet can handle it all. Setup is quick, and our support team is here to help you every step of the way. Don't let inventory chaos hold your business back. Take control with WholesaleNet from ibuyer.hk. Ready to get started? Visit ibuyer.hk today to request a free demo and see how easy inventory management can be. WholesaleNet, the smarter way to manage your inventory, boost efficiency, and grow your business.